Do not pull that plant. Before you throw it away, you need to know what you are actually holding. Because what most people are ripping out of their lawns and tossing in the trash is one of the most nutritionally dense plants on earth, that is dandelion. And before you roll your eyes, stay with me for 60 seconds because this plant is going to change how you see your entire yard. Here are the facts. 1 cup of raw dandelion greens contains more vitamin A than carrots. More vitamin K than almost any green you can buy at the store. Significant amounts of vitamin C, iron, calcium, and potassium. And it is growing in your yard right now completely free, but the nutrition is only the beginning. The root of the dandelion is what herbalists have used for centuries for liver support. Dandelion root contains compounds called tauroxicins and tauroxocherins that stimulate bile production and support the liver's detoxification function. Traditional European and Chinese medicine both independently identified dandelion root as a liver tonic. That kind of cross-cultural agreement does not happen without results. The flowers are edible too. You can make dandelion honey by simmering the flowers with water and sugar. It tastes floral and sweet, and people who try it for the first time cannot believe it comes from a weed. The leaves are best harvested young, before the plant flowers, when they are tender and less bitter. Add them raw to salads, saute them in olive oil with garlic, blend them into smoothies. Slightly bitter greens stimulate digestive enzymes the same way bitter aperitifs have been used for centuries before meals. The latex in the stem, that white milky sap, has been used traditionally to fade warts and treat minor skin irritations. Apply it directly and let it dry. And here's the part that should genuinely bother you. The global dietary supplement industry sells dandelion root extract for significant money. People pay for capsules made from the exact plant growing free in their lawn. The only difference between the product in the bottle and the one in your yard is a label and a markup. What is the right way to use it? Pick young leaves for eating. Dry mature leaves for tea. Harvest roots in fall when they are most concentrated. Roast dried root for a coffee substitute that supports liver function instead of stressing it. One thing to be careful about: only harvest from areas you know have not been sprayed with herbicide or pesticide. Dandelion absorbs soil chemistry efficiently. Clean soil, clean medicine, treated lawn. Skip it. The most valuable plants in your life are often the ones you have been trained to destroy. Follow Tara Roots for a new plant secret every single day. Drop a comment and tell me if you are going to give dandelion a try. And share this with the person in your life who spends every weekend trying to kill their most nutritious neighbor.